After a lot of toing and froing with the government of India, Tesla, the multinational automotive and clean energy company, has finally arrived in India. We visited their experience center in Mumbai to check out the car that the world's most valuable car maker has brought into India. Located inside Maker Max City Mall in Mumbai's BKC, the Tesla Experience Center is 4,000 square feet of showroom space, where 3 units of their first offering for India, the Model Y, are on display in 3 different colors.
Hello and welcome to your screen. I'm Rachna Jai. Today we are here at the Tesla showroom in BKC, Mumbai, and we're going to take a quick look at the Model Y, the first offering in India.
Available in 2 variants, the standard rear-wheel drive and the long-range rear-wheel drive for 59.89 lakh and 67.89 lakh Indian rupees, the Model Y claims a range of 500 kilometers and 622 kilometers respectively. 0 to 100 is in 5.9 seconds and the total speed is 201 km per hour. While the standard Model Y gets a 63 kWh battery and a 283 horsepower rear motor, the long-range rear-wheel drive Model Y gets a 83 kWh battery and a 312 horsepower rear motor. And that is the Tesla Model Y for you. With 16 superchargers in BKC, Lower Parel, Navi Mumbai and Thane, a home charger will also be available to charge your Tesla Model Y. Now, aerodynamics is what Tesla cars are best known for, besides the tech of course. And so, the Model Y gets 19-inch tires from Hankook. The Model Y gets a really deep trunk where you can also store cold beverages. And it comes with a cap to drain the excess water. Besides, it also houses a tow hook which slots into place in a very compact manner in the event of you ever having to tow your Tesla. While the Model Y does not come with a spare tire, it does get a massive boot with 76 cubic feet or 2,152.08 liters of boot space. The quality on the driver's side seat adjust is very good, and in order to open the door, all you have to do is just press a button and voila! Let's check it out once more from the rear seat. And we really like the wide opening doors with those frameless windows. And that fabulous 15.4-inch touchscreen also lets you know which door is open through some fabulous graphics. And with the arrival of Tesla's Model Y, it would only be safe to say that there is going to be plenty to unlearn when it comes to driving in the conventional way and a lot more to learn afresh. It is the 15.6-inch touchscreen of the Model Y that really shines, and it can do almost every physical task on the car with a touch of a button. Don't believe us? Check this out.
Ordinarily, what would you do in order to adjust a tilt and telescopic steering? Well, here, all you have to do is just get to the steering icon and then use this, and you can just shift it below to your convenient setting.
Similarly, you can pull the steering out, adjust its position to suit you, and push it back to make the most of it. Oh, and every time you honk, the car records everything that's in the front of your car as well as at the back and stores it on a pen drive inside the glove compartment. The screen also has quite a few tricks up its sleeve. Change your car's avatar into a Santa and his sleigh, or have a cozy fireplace with some soft music to set the mood. The car also gets 2 charging pads with what feels like felt lining for your cell phones. Not to mention a very big dead pedal. Another unique feature that the Model Y boasts is the Tesla Dog Mode, a climate control feature that allows pet owners to leave their pets in their cars with a comfortable interior temperature setting for their pets. At the Tesla Experience Center, we met Mr. Gaurav Kissan from Vancouver, Canada, who was visiting Mumbai and was accompanied by his service dog Khushi. And he gave us a hands-on presentation of the Tesla Dog Mode via his phone app on his Tesla Model Y, parked in Vancouver, Canada.
I own this car for the last 3 years, and it has got a very friendly, pet-friendly feature. When you switch it on, it will show that the owner is there inside, and the owner has gone out, but the dog is inside. And it will maintain a temperature of the car at the desired level that you want. And it is working perfectly. I have used it with my dog, and also you can see your dog inside your car while you are outside. If you are stopping from your phone, you can see if your dog is okay or not. So that is the pet feature of it. Maintain the temperature.
My car at the moment is 30 degrees centigrade in Vancouver. Okay, and the location is 825. That's my home address. And the climate you can see if you go down. There is a dog mode. Okay, and if you say dog mode, it has started cooling down to 18 degrees centigrade, and it will keep the car cabin under dog mode for 19 degrees centigrade till the time I am out and I come back and I open the door. Then this dog mode will switch off.
And so, with cool features like these and the arrival of Tesla in India, we have only this to say: let the games begin. And that's a wrap.